Angel Reese demands justice for Kyren Lacy after new evidence emerges supporting the innocence of the former LSU wide receiver. The WNBA star speaks out after new footage surfaces suggesting the former LSU football player may have been wrongly accused before his tragic death. Angel Reese, one of LSU's most celebrated athletes and now a rising WNBA star, has publicly called for justice in the case of former LSU football player Kyren Lacy. Her message came shortly after new video evidence surfaced that appears to cast doubt on the charges filed against Lacy before his death earlier this year. The 22-year-old Chicago Sky forward took to social media to share her support for her fellow Tiger, posting a simple but powerful message: "Justice for Kyren Lacy." The post quickly spread across social platforms, reigniting conversation around a case that had faded from headlines but never from the hearts of those who knew him. New evidence could reshape the case. Lacy, who played wide receiver for LSU, had been charged with negligent homicide, felony hit and run, and reckless operation of a vehicle following a fatal accident in 2023 that left a 78-year-old man dead. Louisiana State Police accused Lacy of being involved in the crash, but his attorney has since presented newly obtained surveillance footage that appears to contradict that narrative. According to the defense team, the footage places Lacy more than 70 yards away from the vehicle at the time of the incident, far enough to call the initial allegations into question. The attorney representing him argued that investigators may have misinterpreted key evidence in their haste to bring charges against a high-profile former athlete. "This footage tells a completely different story," the attorney said, asserting that the videos show Lacy could not have been the driver responsible for the accident. Lacy had maintained his innocence in the months before his scheduled court appearance, with his legal team confident that the surveillance evidence would clear his name. Before that day in court ever arrived, tragedy struck. Just 2 days before his scheduled grand jury hearing in April, Lacy was involved in an argument with a family member. According to police reports, he allegedly fired a gun before leaving the scene, leading to a vehicle pursuit that ended in a crash several miles away. When officers reached the wreckage, Lacy was found dead inside the vehicle. The sequence of events left his supporters and former teammates in disbelief. Many within the LSU community felt that the young athlete had been under immense personal and legal pressure in the months leading up to his death.